Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of geometric progressions. We'll write a simple JavaScript program that calculates the sum of a geometric series, both finite and infinite. We'll also handle tricky edge cases like diverging series. Let's break it down and write some clean and understandable code. A geometric series is one where each term is multiplied by a constant ratio to get the next. The formula to find its sum depends on whether we're dealing with a finite or an infinite number of terms. And if the ratio is too large in an infinite case, the sum actually doesn't exist. So, we'll have to be cautious and use the right formula based on inputs. Here's our function. If the number of terms is infinite, we check if the ratio is less than 1. Only then is the series convergent. If not, we throw in errors since the sum will go to infinity. For finite cases, we use the classic geometric series formula, and we handle a special case where the ratio is 1, in which case every term is just a. This function uses branching logic. We separate the infinite case from the finite one right at the start. Then we determine which formula to use based on whether the ratio is 1 or something else. It is precise and handles all the special conditions gracefully. Let's go through some examples. For a is 100, r is 2.5, and n is 5. We get 6444.75. But for an infinite series, where r is 20, that diverges. We throw an error. If r is 1, like in 5, 1, and 10, each term is the same. And for converging infinite series like 1.5 and infinity, we get a clean sum of 2. Geometric progressions are powerful tools in many real problems. They'll help us calculate interest, model decay, and are deeply tied to calculus. You'll also find them in data science and machine learning models where pattern growth is exponential. To wrap it up, this program is a smart way to calculate geometric sums safely. By identifying the case type, we avoided incorrect answers and gave meaningful errors where needed. This logic is a great mix of math and programming. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.